Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about two-dimension shapes. I'm sure some of you have already learned some about two-dimension shapes in your class, or you have seen it in the real life. Um, so you have a chart over here. You will take a look and understand, increase your understanding about what is two-dimension shape are. And today's lesson we're gonna focus more about how to identify the size and the vertex of two-dimension shapes. So before we get started, we're gonna make sure that we all know what two-dimension shapes are and how to identify the size and vertex when you see them. Okay, so first shape here, I will ask Alex, would you please tell me what shape is this, Alex? A circle. Okay, thank you. A circle is two-dimension shape that has zero size and zero vertex. So I hope you guys get it. If you look for the sides, you can see it's just round, no size, no vertex. So we call it zero side and zero vertex. Javier, could you tell me what two-dimension shape this is? A triangle. That's correct. A triangle is a two-dimension shape that has three sides and three vertices. So three sides, we can say 1, 2, 3, and the vertices are 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I hope when you see it, you're able to identify that. Well, we're gonna move on to a third of our shape, two-dimension shapes. Zira, could you please tell me what shape this is? A square. Okay. If you say a square, that's correct. A square is two-dimension shapes that has four sides equal. So the top, the sides, all are equal. So it also has four vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alan, could you please tell me what two-dimension shape this is? A rectangle, that's correct. You're absolutely right. So we can see a little bit resemblance with a rectangle with a square, but there is a difference between both of them, and I'm going to explain that. So for square, it has four sides equal, but for a rectangle, here we will learn that we have two long and two short. So, but it has four sides, it has four vertices too as well, like a square. But when you take a look at it, you will see that the top one, the bottom one and the top are long, and the sides, they are short. That's how you would differentiate between a rectangle and a square. Okay, so method, could you please tell me what two-dimension shape this is? If you say pentagon, you're absolutely right. A pentagon is two-dimension shape that has 5 sides and 5 vertices. Okay, so you count the sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Um, Malik, can you please tell me what two-dimensional shape this is? Octagon. You're right. Octagon is two-dimensional shape that has 8 sides and 8 vertices. Okay. So let's see the sides here. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can also see the verse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anas, could you please tell me what two-dimensional shape this is? Octagon. Octagon, that's very correct. So octagon is also a two-dimensional shape that has a 6 side and 6 vertices. Okay? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. I hope we got a little bit some understanding and identify the two-dimensional shapes and how to count the size and vertices. So we will move on into to a video clip, and we're gonna also listen about what is about two-dimensional shapes. Okay, so we are able to see at least some of the shapes, how we can count, and we also can refill the charts. So now we're going to move on to vocabulary. Before we move on to the vocabulary, I just want to show you that you will find the shape in almost everything, 2D shapes. So let's say like this one. So who can tell me what this is represent? Anas? So the quarter represent a circle. So you already know, oh, okay, so it's a circle. So this is a represent, the quarter represent the shape here. So when you look at this slice of watermelon, you can only think like, oh, okay, this look like a triangle. So when you look at when you get at the stop sign, you'll be like, I wonder what this side what shape this is. You'll be like, octagon, yeah, octagon, okay? So you will learn the shapes in a different way. Just pay close attention on what you're doing and your real life. You should be able to find things that represent 2D shapes. So like a table here, you can see, I wonder what this look like. You'll be like, it has a too long size and has a too short side. So what could be? You'd be like, okay, we learn a rectangle has too long and too short. So schoolwork, when you go to school, you will also see like a crosswalk side. You'll be like, octagon. This could be a good example of pentagon. So this is how we discover like when different shapes and different life experience that we were in. So we are going to move on to vocabulary. So I want you guys to complete take a note while I'm writing this on the board so you can have that in your notebook, okay? So let me get this. So a circle is a circle equal 0 size and 0 vertex. So a square because 4 equal size and 4 are vertices. So a rectangle has 4 size and 4 vertices. So too long, to make sure that we understand that 2 of rectangle will be short and the other 2 will be long. Okay, so this is some example that you have to refer to, but you also can refer on the chart. It's actually the same. So like here it says a circle has a 0 size and 0 vertex. A triangle has a 3 size and 3 vertex. A square has 4 size, 4 vertex. uh, we didn't talk about prompts, so we'll talk that next time. A rectangle has four sides and four vertices, and you're gonna continue to understand, increase your understanding, and take notes. Uh, we're gonna move on to activities. So it's gonna be a group activity. We're all gonna work together to identify, to make sure that we understand what 2D shapes and the size and the vertices that they have. Okay, so this game is called Who Am I? So Who Am I is, if I ask a question, we're all gonna answer accordingly to what we know. If not, I can always explain to you. Okay? So first question is, I am a shape that has no angle, no vertex. Who am I? Anas? A circle! Yes! You got that one right. Okay, second example will be, I am a shape that has four sides, four vertices. Who am I? Javier? A square! That's right. That's right. You're absolutely right, Javier. Okay, so the third one is, I am a shape that has four sides, four vertices. Who am I? You can always think of like, it's a square, but also it's another shape. What is that? Zira? A rectangle. Yes, good job, Zira. A rectangle. Okay. I am a shape that has five sides, five vertices. Who am I? Lig? Pentagon. Yeah, if you say pentagon, you absolutely right, Malik. Thank you. I am a shape that has six sides, six vertices. Who am I, Alan? Hexagon. Thank you. That is correct, Alan. Okay, the last one will be Alex. I am a shape that has eight sides, eight vertices. Who am I? Octagon. Thank you, Alex. That's awesome. So we have practiced a little bit about the 2D shapes. So I hope we understand what it is. You will complete this one, this chart. So make sure you look at your shapes, and you will tell, like, okay, a circle, for example, how many sides? And then you know, like, it has a size or whatever. And you go on a triangle, same thing. You look, so how many sides, and the rest of them you will know. Okay, so I'll pass over for everybody. So okay, so while everybody's completing, I'm gonna erase, and then we're gonna move on to another activity. You can always refer to the chart. This is for your practice, just to make sure that you got it, okay? Okay, so now I have your independence work, or you can call it exit tickets. It will be find two object in the class class that is two-dimension shape. And alright, I'll collect the work while you were writing your sentence, okay? Just look around, take a look in the class, take your time and look and see if you can find any object in this class that is two-dimension shape. Okay, so if everybody's done, and if you have a question, please let me know. And that will be completed our lesson today. I will see you guys next time. Thank you.